I said I wouldn't cry. The day is finally here. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today's video would typically be second channel content, you know, that we would have put it over there, but given what it's about, it wouldn't really make sense because we did it. We reached 200 subscribers, so thank you so much for helping us get there. And you know, I've been vlogging along the way, and I thought I could make a little video out of it and show you guys what happened, you know, the little journey over the last week or so, and stay till the end because we got something very special that I can't wait to show you. So just thank you again, you know, sit back and relax and enjoy. God, my hair's a mess. Talk about bed here. Me in bed, this is cozy. Ooh. Good morning. Oh, that's bright. Today's the day. Oh, what day is it today? I shouldn't even be in bed. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning. I should have been up hours ago. But anyway, today is the day that our video with Civvy the Soldier goes live. And I think it might just be what pushes us over the edge for that 200 subscribers. But we're getting closer to 4,000 hours of watch time as well. And it's our kind of first, you know, it's like a 1 year anniversary / first birthday of the Daily Weekly podcasts. So like the Daily Weekly in April, so that's not long, just a couple of weeks to go. It's all going up. I mean, I reckon we could hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year, you know.
I don't know if I can do this.
So keep on doing what you're doing, guys, because it means a lot. It feels weird to say, but you know, it's like we're not just looking into a camera. There's actually people watching on the other side. So these numbers couldn't go up without you guys, and it's not all about the numbers. It's just a nice bonus. But yeah, so you know, stay tuned. So we've just had a very successful so far. I mean, we've only released it yesterday, but our video with Civvy the Soldier, otherwise a good friend of mine named Tash, it's doing pretty well. I mean, I always knew it would do well because she brings in a huge audience. So that was a win-win. But we're getting ever so closer to 200 subscribers. So I reckon we'll hit that any day now. That was a really good video. Make sure to go check it out in the... I put the card up. I'm like, where is it? Which side? Is it this side or is it that side? I can't remember. But yeah, so make sure to check that video out because it's a good one. I'm filming this on my phone because I'm so excited. I can't believe it. I'm not going to get the camera out right. We've passed 200 subscribers on our YouTube channel and I can't believe it. I just want to thank you guys so much. It means the world to us, you know, to me, to Rachel, Ridley and Bethany once they, you know, I mean, they were working on stuff behind the scenes and we can't wait for them to, well, we can't wait for you to see that. I'm just so excited. I can't even get my words out. To Jake as well, it means a lot to him, even though he's not part of the main channel anymore, but you know, he still played a big part in getting us here. So yeah, I can't believe it. Just thank you so much. I've submitted off and I've got the email from YouTube today. We're getting our award. I just, oh my God, you know. So I can't believe it. Hopefully it'll be here within the next week or so. And then I'm going to make a video on it, obviously, because it's such a big occasion. And I just, yeah, I can't wait. Like, honestly, it can come at a better time. You know, it's coming up to our 1 year anniversary. I can't believe, what, 200 subscribers in 1 year. Wow. Just, yeah, we've recently crossed 4,000 hours of watch time. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Jesus Christ. We could be, you know, monetizing in no time at all. So expect big things coming from the Daily Weekly, okay? So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends and just stay tuned because there's a lot to, you know, there's a lot coming out. And check out our second channel, Daily Weekly 2. Let's push those numbers up because we can do it. So thank you. Okay, so I went onto our Social Blade page and look at that, 200 subscribers, And look at our subscriber rank. There's over 15 million channels above us. Wow, that's amazing. And look at those earnings. God, even though we can't earn anything yet, look at that numbers. I'm rolling in it. I might as well quit my job now.
4 to 6 days later.
So I'm just out for a walk. Got the email. It's coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow is gonna be a big day.
Thanks. It's arrived. I'm gonna open it in a minute. I'm gonna get changed because I just come back from a run, but it's here. I can't believe it. Oh, I can't believe it. So yeah, I can't wait to open it and then show you guys as well. Okay, so nothing's really happening in this moment. I just thought my hair looked really good. And I wanted to show you guys. Oh, can you spot the barbecue sauce in the background? Comment below. Here it is. Oh. Oh, okay, we've got a letter as well. Yeah, I heard about this. Right, I'll read the letter first and then I'll show the award. You've just done something very many YouTube creators accomplish. You had 200 people subscribe to your YouTube channel. Although if you knock off multiple accounts, family and close friends, that number might actually be closer to 150. Congrats nonetheless. I mean, I guess. We all know that numbers on YouTube can get really big. It's a vanity and popularity thing after all. But we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that next 4-digit milestone. You know, the first milestone that actually counts. Oh, that's true. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, entertained, and maybe sometimes confused. Yeah, if they saw that tinfoil video, they might be a bit confused. You've achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humour. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, unless of course people unsubscribe and you'll be required to return this award. Please note we do not provide free returns. Okay then. We'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with this Wood Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for awards. Well, I mean, I guess I don't do it just for them, but it is nice. You do it because you have the drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1,000 subscribers may seem like a long way off, but right now you're closer than you think. Just break it down like you used to do in school to get through a lesson. You know, how the lesson's 60 minutes, that means there are 6 chunks of 10 minutes. You get the idea. Well, I mean, that is true. That does make it seem a lot more bearable. Oh yeah, it just make it feel a bit more doable. We're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, the Big Cheese, not the CEO of YouTube. Oh, look at that, guys. There's the letter. I'm going to take a picture of that and put it on our Instagram. I mean, this letter needs a frame of its own. Right, I'm just going to set that down. I said I wouldn't cry. Control yourself, Brad. You got this. Oh, here it is. Ta-da. I mean, I get why they call it the Wood Creator Award now, because like if you look closely, the actual like YouTube logo has got like this dark brown colour and it's got like wood paneling effect. And then on the outer of this frame here, it's got like wood grain as well. So that's a nice touch. Look at that. Presented to the Daily Weekly for passing 200 subscribers. Wow, this, you know, I mean, I'm going to keep hold of this. It will go on my shelf. It'll look, I'm going to display it. It's going to look really nice. Thank you guys for helping us get there. To all the team, you know, this means the world to us. So we can't wait for the next milestone. Thank you, and, you know, just keep watching. I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes vlog thingy. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share with your friends. You know, check out our podcast, the videos, the whole shebang. There's plenty more coming soon. So just thank you so much again. Ta-da, as you can see, look at that number. Wait, what?